a lot of rain and a lot of wind. The satellite picture shows this great mass of cloud coming in from the Atlantic, then a break and some showers over the United Kingdom tonight, and then that great mass of cloud bringing some very stormy weather just coming into the western side of Ireland. And that's the pattern, I think, over the coming few days. A lot of very unsettled windy weather in the west. The further east you go, the quieter, and over the central and eastern parts of the Mediterranean on New Year's Day looked pretty good, dry with a good deal of sunshine too. And that pattern continuing on Friday, very unsettled though in northwestern parts of Europe, very tightly packed isobars and some stormy weather coming across the British Isles, northwestern parts of France, and some quite nasty weather coming into northwestern parts of Spain as we go across into Saturday. But that's the weather map for New Year's Day across the British Isles. The isobars very closely packed together, so some very strong and gusty winds, and certainly we're expecting winds to gust up over 60 miles an hour in places and bring some really heavy rain around with it as well. That's the picture by the end of tonight. Still a few showers running along that south coast. Inland though dry, and that's where we're likely to see it pretty cold. Some icy patches on untreated roads, certainly over central and eastern parts of the country. But to the west, temperatures now already beginning to lift across in Northern Ireland as this cloud and outbreaks of rain spread in from the west. Not just cloud and outbreaks of rain, it will turn more persistent and it'll become very, very windy as well. And that rain and strong winds sweeping right across the country during New Year's Day, followed in the west by heavy and blustery showers too. Temperatures tomorrow could well get up to about 11 degrees, but with this strong wind, it's really academic. It won't feel anywhere near as mild as that. And then as we go through the weekend, just concentrating on this low pressure area, because this is likely to bring some very stormy weather in across the country. The track is very difficult, but it does look as though it'll move in that direction at the moment, and the isobars in the south and to the west of that low bringing some wind gusts perhaps up to 75, 80 miles an hour. So some damaging winds coming through the weekend, and indeed that stormy weather, as I say, through Saturday and indeed Sunday. On Friday, a little bit of respite in the east. It'll be a showery day, most of the showers in the west and in the north, where the winds will be strongest too. But then as we come into Saturday, wet and windy weather sweeping its way across once again. Some very strong winds tucking in behind, gale force winds, blustery showers too, and it'll turn colder so that by Sunday there will be quite a bit of sleet and snow in those showers, right down as far as perhaps the Cotswolds, the Chilterns, and certainly on the higher ground further north. That's where we're likely to see the stormiest weather. That's it. Bye for now.
If you've no intention of taking to your bed just yet, BBC One keeps going throughout the night in the company of BBC News 24. BBC Two, on the other hand, is about to take a few hours out. I hope you've enjoyed the evening wherever you are. Thank you for your company and wishing you a happy and contented New Year. This is BBC Two signing off from London. Good night.